Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an HP PhotoSmart printer owner who's been pulling your hair out over error code 0, don't worry. We've got you covered. This pesky error can pop up out of nowhere, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it in 2025. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is error code 0? In the world of HP PhotoSmart printers, this code typically signals a general failure or a communication breakdown between your printer and your computer. It might show up as a flashing light or an on-screen message, indicating that something's not connecting properly. This could be related to hardware, software, or even simple settings issues. Now, let's talk about the causes. Error code 0 often stems from outdated printer drivers that haven't been updated in a while. Other common culprits include faulty USB cables, software conflicts from recent Windows or macOS updates, low ink or paper levels, or even a jammed printer mechanism. In 2025, with more devices connecting wirelessly, we might also see issues from network glitches or incompatible apps. The good news is, fixing this error is straightforward. Start by restarting both your printer and your computer to clear any temporary glitches. That's step 1. Next, head over to the official HP website and download the latest drivers for your PhotoSmart model. Make sure it's the 2025 version for optimal compatibility. If that doesn't work, check your connections. Unplug and replug your USB cable, or ensure your Wi-Fi is stable if you're printing wirelessly. Another helpful tool is HP's Print and Scan Doctor. It's a free utility that can diagnose and fix common problems automatically. If the error persists, try resetting your printer to factory settings as a last resort, but remember to back up any custom settings first. There you have it. Simple solutions to get your HP PhotoSmart back up and running. If you follow these steps, you should be printing hassle-free in no time. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tech fixes and tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.